pouring rain. You dream of tea to chase away the chill, and wish that woman on your way again would greet you still. No questions left, just warmth against the pain. She wears your sweater stretched and old, those knitted socks your mother spun. You tweet about it, not too bold. Read one more time till sorrow's on the run. Outside the window, wild and white, already winter, not a sun in sight. The snow keeps flying through the lonely room, and sadness tipsy lingers in the gloom. Meltwater spins its endless race. You thirst for smiles,